You have textbook now? See here. Formulas. Once you can see formulas, amma. 2 minutes. Sin C plus sin D, cos C plus cos D, sin C minus sin D, cos C minus cos D. Read the everyone formulas, amma. 2 minutes. I will ask formulas. How many problems completed, amma? So next 14th one, sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal. You have to prove that 4 cos square x into sin 4x. What is the sin C plus sin D formula, Nana? See here, sin 6x sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x LHS part. So here sin C plus sin D is equal, what you can write, Nana? 2 sin C plus D by 2, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. This formula I can apply here, ma. So here sin C plus sin D is equal 2 sin C plus D by 2, 6 plus 6x plus 2x by 2 cos 6x minus 2x by 2. These two terms I am writing Nana, plus 2 sin 4x okay. So now here 2 sin 6x plus 2x Nana, 8x by 2 4x cos 6x minus 2x 4x by 2 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Here see 2 sin 4x, here also 2 sin 4x is the common, you can take outside 2 sin 4x. So remaining what you can write, sir? 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x, cos 2a formula now. Cos 2a formula what you can write? Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 you can write. 2 cos square a minus 1. So here 2 sin 4x 1 cos 2a is equal 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. So 2 into 2 4 cos square x sin 4x. So LHS to RHS. Completed ra? Completed ra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next nana 15th one. Cot 4x. Cot 4x. Sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. LHS and RHS you have to prove that ma. So here sin C plus sin D is equal to, what is the formula nana? Sin C plus sin D is equal what is the formula ra? Darun R.
Sir,
Pranav yes. Yes nana. Sin C plus sin D formula ma.
sir, 2 sin into A
Yes.
plus B divided by 2 into cos A minus B divided by 2, sir.
Yes nana. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Any can write nana. Sir, why you are writing sin C plus sin D? I will write sin A plus sin B. That also you can write. 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. So now here LHS part. So what you can write, sir? Cot 4x is equal sin C plus sin D or sin A plus sin B is equal 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. Close the bracket. Close the bracket. Now here cot 4x 2 sin 5x plus 3x 8x by 2 nana 4x cos 5x minus 3x 2x by 2 x. Okay, so here 2 sin 4x cos x. So now here what you can write amma 2 sin cot 4x you can write cos 4x by sin 4x you can write na. Okay, into 2 sin 4x cos x you can write na. So sin 4x will get cancelled. 2 into cos x or cos 4x into cos x. So this is the equation 1. Okay, LHS part. Again, you have to complete it by RHS also. Once you can copy Nana this one. Completed ra. So next Nana RHS part. So what is the RHS part, sir? Cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. Okay, so here also you can apply this formula, Nana. Sin C or sin A, that is your ways. Sin C minus sin D. Karthikeya. Karthikeya. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar. Pranav S. Pranav. Pranav. Abhiraksha. Abhiraksha.
Sir,
What is the formula, Nana? Sin C minus sin D formula. What is the formula, ma? What is the formula? Two cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So here cot x sin c minus sin d means 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 sin 5x minus 3x by 2. Close the bracket. So cot x is equal to cos 5 plus 3 8x by 2 4x sin 5x minus 3x 2x by 2 x. Close the bracket. So cot x means cos x by sin x into 2 cos 4x sin x. Sin x will get cancelled, Nana. So 2 cos 4x cos x. 2 cos 4x cos x. This is the equation 2. Equation 1 is equal to 2. LHS equal to RHS. Okay, anyone doubt? Once you can copy them. See, Nana, next problem. Cos c minus cos d and sin c minus sin d formula I can see, Nana. Formulas is there already textbook. Page number 69. 69. Formulas 20. Number 20. Page number 69. That formulas once you can see. Completed, right? completed ma? Completed ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next number 16th one. Cos 9x minus cos 5x by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal, you have to prove that sin 2x by cos 10x minus sin C sin D formula okay ma. Next cos C minus cos D formula ma. Cos C minus cos D. What is the formula ra? Uday? Uday? Sanjay? Sanjay? Sanjay, yes. Vikrakant? Anyone you can say nana? Cos C minus cos D formula?
Minus 2 sine of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2.
Very good. Amma. So cos C minus cos D is equal to what you can write, sir? 2 sine C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. 2 sine C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. Okay. So now here in these two formulas, you can apply here. So cos C minus cos D formula means what can write, sir? 2 sine 9x plus 5x by 2 into sine 9x minus 5x by 2 by sin C minus sin D means 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2 sin 17x minus 3x by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Here sin 9 plus 5 14x by 2 7x into sin 9x minus 5x 4x by 2 4x by 2 means 2x okay by cos 7x 17 plus 3 20x by 2 10x into sin 17x minus 3x 14x by 2 7x. So in this 7x will get cancelled. Remaining what is there, sir? Sin 2x by cos 10x. Hence proved. Okay, one second copy nana. Here cos C minus cos D nana minus nana here. So here minus, here minus, here minus. Anyone doubt ra? So once you can copy him. Next number 17, 18, 19 nana same only. You can complete it. 20 I will explain. 17, 18, 19 homework. 17, 18, 19 is the homework. Okay, 20 I will explain. కాలే ఇంకో పావు గంట కంప్లీటెడ్ రా కంప్లీటెడ్ అమ్మా
Yes, sir.
వాట్ అబౌట్ రిమైనింగ్ రా
Yes, sir.
CMR 20. Sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x is equal to sin x. You have to prove that, Nana. So sin square x minus cos square x what is the formula? Sin c minus sin d is equal sin c minus sin d is equal to what is the formula, ma? Badri, Gautaman, yes.
Sir, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2.
2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay. Ma. Next, cos square a minus sin square a. What is the formula, Nana? Cos square a minus sin square b or sin square a. What you can write? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b can write. But sir, here sin square is the first is there. You can take common. Here also you can take common. So sin 3x minus you can take common means here sin x by here also minus you can take common. So cos square x minus sin square x. Minus minus will get cancelled. Here you can apply sin c minus sin d formula. 2 cos 3x plus ax by 2 sin 3x minus x by 2 whole by cos square a minus sin square b formula. Ma. So here what you can write, sir? Cos of x plus x into cos of x minus x. So now here 2 cos 3x plus x 4x by 2 2x sin 3x minus x means 2x by 2 sin x by cos 2x into cos 0. Cos 2x will get cancelled. 2 sin x cos 0 value nana 1. Anything ra? Completed, right? Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Amma next 21. Cot 4x plus cos 4x cos 3x plus cos 2x by here also sin 4x sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal, you have to prove that cot 3x. So here one highest degree, one lowest degree you can take, Nana. Why? Because this average 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, 3x will come. For example, sir, why you can't take 4x plus 3x, 7x, 7x by 2 means what? 3.5. So not 3.5, you have to prove that. So highest and lowest you can take. So here cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x I will take by here also sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x I will take. Okay. So here cos C plus cos D formula, Nana. What is the cos D? Cos C plus cos D formula? Akash A. Akash. Gautaman.
2 times cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2.
Yes, Nana. Super. 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. One more formula, Nana. Sin C plus sin D. What is the sin C plus sin D formula? 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. These two formulas you can apply here, Amma. So cos 4x plus cos 2x means 2 cos 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2 plus cos 3x by here also 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 cos 4x minus 2x by 2 plus sin 3x. Sin 3x. So now here 2 cos 4x plus 2x, 6x, 6x by 2, 3x, 3x cos 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2, x plus cos 3x. Here also 2 sin 4x, 6x, 3x cos 4x, 2x means x plus sin 3x. So you can take here cos 3x common, Nana. You can see them up to here. Okay. So one more step also possible. Cos 3x last 1 minute na 1 second copy amma. Here also sin 3x you can take common na. Sin 3x you can take common means 2 cos x plus 1. So we'll get cancel cos 3x by 3x means cot 3x. 1 second copy.